Hey everybody, this is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. Man, it's been a crazy week. But before I get started, I want to give a shout out to folks in Raleigh, North Carolina. My wife got me this shirt during her travels, so I'm repping Raleigh, North Carolina today. Go Tar Heels, right? For those of you that watch from there, thank you for watching and just wanted to give you a shout out. All right, crazy week. Market has just been nuts. Started last week, I think it was on Friday. There was a huge sell off, and the market had been trying to recover. It would sell off, and today's been a big rally. You would think that would be great, which it is. There's a lot of volatility in the market, but it also makes it very challenging because it's very tough to put in trades, especially if you're manually trading. By the time you put a trade, it's already reversed, or you're going to get really crappy executions, right? So by the time you place the trade and it gets accepted, the prices will already have moved on you. So it's very, very, very challenging. So what do I recommend on how you should trade your true trade automation when there's high volatility? So recommendation number 3. So I'm going to work my way from 3 to 1. So 3 is that you can maybe switch from the NQ. If you trade the NQ, switch down to the ES. That tends to move a little bit slower. All right. So you can definitely mitigate a little bit of that volatility by going to more slower moving instrument like the ES. Okay. So recommendation number 2 is to turn on your volatility shield. So if you own the Ripper X AI Pro, turn on your shield, and that will filter out some of that noise that's been happening. So it's going to take a little bit longer, but the market's moving fast enough that the shield will keep you out of trouble with some of that kind of back and forth movement, and it'll only take those trades that will meet your trading criteria. So I would say stick with that. And my number one trading advice is if you have the Ripper One AI Pro, if you have that, then run that. And the reason I say that is because I run a 1 multiplier on my funded accounts, which means that my loss limit is capped at $250 for the day, which is actually pretty small. And the upside could be higher than that. Hopefully it is. And that's kind of the idea. You want to minimize your risk, but then maximize on your profit as best you can. So I'm going to show you the results of today. I got to go. I like to shoot about 100 to 200 per account on my funded accounts. It certainly did that. Most of them were over 200, and then somewhere were in the hundreds. And then there was one that had 70, but it was still positive, so I'm not mad. I'll definitely take that. So definitely a green day with the Ripper One AI Pro. So I am going to show you that here in a minute. I took a screen capture of my iPhone so you could see today's trading activity. So what's the plan for tomorrow, which is Friday, and into next week? So definitely I'm going to keep running my Ripper One AI Pro. Just going to keep those multiple accounts, keep them on a 1 multiplier, and just keep running them. Win or lose, you got to keep running them, because in the end, you got to be further ahead than you're not. Okay, that's the idea. So don't deviate. Same account, same bot, same multiplier, and just keep doing it over. So not very exciting, but it's the safe way to trade during high volatility times like we're seeing today. Then with the Ripper X AI Pro, which is the chart bot that you can manually trade and auto and the trend and momentum, you can do all kinds of fun stuff with it. I think I'm going to ease off on being more manual, and I'm going to stick more of the auto. So I'm definitely going to turn on the volatility shield. I'm still going to manage my stops. So when I'm in profit, I'm going to move my trail stop to break even plus, so I can get a risk-free trade. So I'm definitely going to do that. Target 1, target 2. As soon as it hits target 1, I'm going to look to move target 2 up and see if I can catch some of that upswing that has been happening in the market. The market's been moving. Maybe I'll catch a nice big move, but I'm going to move over to break even plus because I want to lock in as much profit and create a risk-free trade environment as best as I can. So to recap, Ripper One AI Pro, just let it run. 1 multiplier on a 50K, that's what I recommend. You can go up to 2 multiplier on a 100K, 3 multiplier on a 150, and so on and so forth. And then if you're running the Ripper XAI Pro, then go ahead and turn on the volatility shield. And then that will filter out some of those bad trades and then it'll get you more into more of a safe trading environment that really aligns with your trading goals and trading criteria. So that's it, folks. I know I've been talking for a little bit, but I just wanted to put this video out for you all to kind of give you a little bit of guidance for the rest of the week and probably into next week. I think the market's going to stay kind of crazy for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that screen capture of today's trading with the Ripper One AI Pro, and then I'm going to catch you on the next video. Take care.